because you just want to understand the Quran and the Sunnah. Likewise, then, Imam Ibn Khaldun, he says, وَأَمَّا عِلْمُ اللُّغَةِ فَهُوَ مَعْرِفَةُ أَفْرَادِ الْكَلِمِ وَكَيْفِيَةِ أَوْضَاعِهَا. As for the science of language, it is the knowledge of individual words and how they are structured and applied. So, علم اللغة, even if we look at the ayah where Allah Azza wa Jal says, وَعَلَّمَ آدَمَ الْأَسْمَاءَ كُلَّهَا. After He has mentioned that He has created Adam, then He taught Adam how to speak. So Allah Azza wa Jal says, وَعَلَّمَ آدَمَ الْأَسْمَاءَ كُلَّهَا. And Allah Azza wa Jal taught Adam all of the words. If you go to Tafsir ibn Kathir, Ibn Abbas, he was asked, did Allah Azza wa Jal taught Adam the words like was-sahfa, which are, names to describe a pot, something you put food in it, like a plate. And then Ibn Abbas, he said, yes, hatta al-fuswa wal-fasiyya, which is passing wind, to emphasize on how much and how detailed did Allah Azza wa Jal gave Adam from the vocabulary, that for someone, and this brings me to the myth of many students of knowledge, what they say is, why do I want to learn this book? Like, they might talk about Arabi ibn Adik, they might talk about other books. They say, why am I learning this book? Why am I learning to say tomatoes? Why am I learning to say clouds? Why am I learning to say trees? Why am I learning when I want to understand the Quran and the Sunnah? And this is one of the biggest problems of, I know it all type of students, because, I know a few fatawiyat and I have memorized a few ahadith and I've memorized a couple of juz from the Quran, so I know what I need. So imagine somebody who wants to lose weight, he goes to a coach and he says, why do I have to track my food? Why do I have to weight my food? All I want to do is eat healthy. So I'm just going to eat salad. So is you going to the expert and telling him, no, I know what I need, even though you don't even have experience in it. So here, Ibn Khaldun, he says that al-lugha is knowing afrad al-kalima, knowing vocabulary, afrad al-kalim, wa kayfiyat awda'iha, and how to put them together to make sense of it. And this is so powerful because Ibn Khaldun is telling you something people ignore. Language is a malaka. It's something that you possess, a skill, a faculty within yourself. So something that becomes rooted in your tongue through repeating and through speaking a lot. And this is why in Andalus Issue we have speaking sessions, which I will show you in a little bit. And we consider these as being from amongst the most important things, speaking. Because speaking is the skill that will make any other linguistic skill strong.
Now we're going to introduce yourself. We're going to learn how to introduce yourself. Just before that, I want to know, how would you differentiate between a male and a female when it comes to greeting? So, say for example, I'm a female. What would you say, Akhi Mikola? To me, if I'm a female, for example.
What greeting, like?
So how would you greet me? If you was to greet a female, how would you greet me?
Oh, okay. Assalamu alayki, I think.
Very good. Assalamu alaykum. How would you say, how are you?
كيف حالك?
كيف حالك. And how would you say, what's your name?
ما اسمك?
Okay, very good. And now change that to a male. So how would you say, Salama? Go on.
Assalamu alayka.
Very good. Assalamu alayka. And then going down, how are you?
كيف حالك?
And what's your name?
ما اسمك?
Masmuk. Very good. So today we're going to learn these three questions, and inshallah in the future we're going to add more to these questions to introduce yourself. How to introduce yourself. So let's stick to these three questions. How are you? The greetings. How are you? What's your name and where are you from? Let's stick to them 4 questions, okay? So I want you to start it. So assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Kada. I am from Kada. And so my name, I am from, okay, you understand? So obviously when you're in a dialogue, that's a monologue. When you're in a dialogue, you'd say, how are you? I'll ask you, how are you? And then you answer that question. So just introduce yourself and I'll ask you the questions and then you introduce yourself, okay? So we're going to have a dialogue, okay? So, assalamu alaikum